People the world over are afraid of snakes. Some of them can kill you with a single bite. But the truth is, most of us don't actually know much when it comes to snakes.
The deadly venomous ones, they don't chase people.
With so many different types of snakes, there are many myths about them. Most of them are untrue.
I was stopping him and he said, why? Those are devils. They need to be killed. Every time you find a snake, kill it on the head, otherwise it will bite you. So I said, no, I think they need their life.
This week on Wildlife Warriors, join me as I meet Boniface Momanyi, who shows me that there's a lot more to snakes than meets the eye. Kenya is home to 126 different snake species, including some of the world's deadliest. Here on the coast of Kenya, in Watamu, this is Snake Central.
Baada ya asubuhi, nani atatuongoza na ombi?
We are available on free-to-air and everywhere. DSTV Channel 311, GoTV Channel 91, StarTimes Pang Channel 105, and on Zuku Channel 602. We are also available on Safaricom Base and on K24 Plus